How to remove and clean the carburetor from a Kawasaki FB460V. The small Kawasaki FB460V engine is used on a variety of machines and needs to be properly maintained in order to extend the life of the engine. Without common repairs and overhauls on the engine, components will begin to malfunction. A common component that will stop working is the carburetor because of gummy gas clogging the valves and float within the carburetor. Removing the carburetor and cleaning it is the best solution for getting it ready to be used again. Things you'll need: sockets and socket ratchet, gas can, carburetor cleaner spray, aerating parts wash bathtub, kerosene. Follow the gas hose under the fuel tank to the side of the carburetor. Unscrew the clamp holding the hose onto the carburetor with the proper sized socket. Pull the hose off and direct it into the gasket to capture the gas. Unhook the governor linkage bar and the throttle spring from the eyelet on the top of the carburetor. Unscrew the bolt on the base of the carburetor that holds the fuel bowl to the base of the carburetor. Use the proper sized socket to remove the bolt. Pull the fuel bowl off and set it in the parts wash bathtub. Unscrew the two bolts that hold the carburetor onto the side of the engine block, using the appropriate sockets. Pull the carburetor off and set it in the parts wash bathtub. Peel the old carburetor gasket off of the side of the engine block and throw it away. Spray carburetor cleaner into the side fuel hole of the carburetor, in the fuel bowl and on the backside valves. Set the two carburetor parts back in the parts wash bathtub. Pour kerosene into the aerating parts wash bathtub until it covers the carburetor parts. Kerosene helps loosen rust and gummy gas through a soaking process. Turn on the aerating parts wash bathtub. Allow the carburetor to soak and clean itself for a full 24 hours before reinstalling the carburetor.